I don't do a lot of home improvement type videos in my channel, although I have done some, but this is going to be an interesting product. I have ordered some handles for this set of sliding doors. This is sort of a hallway closet leading into a laundry area. And it's always bothered me that for some reason, the prior owner of this place did not install handles here. So you'd always have to, to open this, you'd always have to just grab this and go like that. Or, if this was closed like that. Or, grab it here by this little gap and go like that. Or, on this side, do the same. And it's just been a kind of a hassle. And I think I know why, when the prior owner was putting these in, why they decided not to put a handle in. I think they just wanted a real sleek look, kind of a discreet look, where you don't really notice these doors that much. The other thing is, since they're, layered sliding doors, you can't put a handle that protrudes out here, because otherwise it'll hit this door, right? So, you basically, so in sort of thinking about it, with a normal sort of handle, you'd probably only put it on the outside door, and then it would look off because you wouldn't have a handle on the inside door. So I found these adhesive mount handles that apparently have really strong adhesive and also are only about 1/4 inch thick. So I can actually install this right here and it'll still fit like through there and won't really affect anything. Very easy, they just stick on with adhesive, strong adhesive, and hopefully that'll add a lot more functionality to my life here in terms of there being handles on these doors finally. So this is the before. Let me go ahead and do that and I will show you the after. All right, so this is the finished install. And for under $20, I kind of like them. They come in, I think, white, black, and gray, silver. These are the gray, silver ones, as you can see here. And they stick on pretty strongly. I did clean, the painted surface with soapy water first, just to make sure it was clean. But as you can see, it just goes like this. And, you can see it's a laundry kind of area there. And it remains to be seen, whether these things fall off or not. But the adhesive seems pretty strong on them, so from all the reviews that I've read, apparently they're pretty good. And then I'll show you on this one. If I open this one all the way, you can kind of see there it fits right in there with plenty of clearance, for both doors, to stack like that on top of each other. So kind of nice, very flush, and it works on sliding glass doors as well. But these happen to be wood doors, and I think it looks pretty good. Not bad for under 20 bucks. I'll post an affiliate link in the description field if you're interested in something like this. It's still a sleek look, but quite functional. So yeah, that's it for this video. Questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to leave them, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm pretty happy with this very simple and cheap DIY home improvement setup. See you in my next video.